Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Nikkor 50mm f1.8 Pancake lens that I have. So you can see that it's very thin and nice. Show you the glass in front, the behind, show you the side. Focusing is smooth. Aperture blades are smooth and work. They are functional. And then you can see the glass. Gonna do a shine test now. Alright, so there you go. If you like this lens, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.